Hey guys, welcome to the pet store. This is baby rat and baby mouse's cages. They're all sold out, but they have still their water and food. These are the guinea pigs, and there's some babies too. Look at these guinea pigs. These are the birds, and there are so many types of birds. This is the heat light, and we can use it for our chicks. We can also use this for other reptiles. Maybe baby snakes, maybe like chicks, or baby chickens, or like baby lizards, and all. We can use this light for all of the baby animals. We bought a rainbow lorikeet cage for our lorikeet, and some toys for him to play. We bought this cage because his other cage was so small. Do you know that we bought this cockatiel from our pet store? Do you know there's even a dog bath here? People even wash their dogs here too. When I went to the pet store, I collected some feathers from the birds. We also brought our fish from here. We bought one water snail and a tank cleaner. My cousins gave me 4 goldfish. In my next video, I'm even going to talk about my fish tank. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you cage and the toy. So keep watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And today, this is my lorikeet's new cage. Look, it's very beautiful, and this is a toy for him. So then it doesn't mess. Water. Get out and show you some tricks. Don't worry, Lori. You'll be fine. And my boy. His name is Lori, and I like him, and he likes me. Look what I bought for you for my rainbow lorikeet. It's a toy, and I brought another toy in his cage. So then he can stay like this to us, and he's still shy. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.